A guide to Hugging Face Chat, your free alternative to ChatGPT. Welcome to our Gideon Hugging Face Chat. Hugging Face isn't just another platform, it's the epicenter where the AI community is actively shaping the future. It's a dynamic hub where artificial intelligence meets human interaction in the most innovative ways. At its core, Hugging Face is a community-driven platform that serves as the launching pad for groundbreaking AI models, datasets, and applications. Let's begin by accessing Hugging Face Chat, our main focus for today's discussion. This platform elevates the concept by offering an intuitive interface, facilitating effortless interaction with AI models. To initiate chatting, we'll begin by registering. We'll click on the Sign Up button, which will prompt the login form to appear. Since we don't have an existing account, we'll click on the Sign Up link and verify our humanity. Next, we'll provide our email and password before proceeding by clicking the Next button. Afterwards, we input our profile details including username, full name, and agree to the terms before clicking the necessary buttons. Following that, we proceed by clicking the Authorize button. Great! We have it. This is the interface of Hugging Face Chat, where you can dive into conversations. We activate the Search Web button, and as we explore further, we come across the feature theme to toggle between dark and light mode. Next, we encounter the Models option, where we find a variety of different models available. Among them, we select the Meta Llama 370B Instruct model. Let's put it to the test by creating a basic login web page using HTML and CSS. As demonstrated, it began writing the code. To test the code, we proceed by creating the required HTML file. Then, we simply copy and paste the code into it. Similarly, we repeat the process for the style.css file. And this is the result. While the result may not be visually stunning or meticulously designed, it nonetheless serves its purpose as a basic login form featuring fields for username and password. Let's attempt another test. For instance, we prompt write a curriculum vitae, CV, tailored for a web developer with 2 years of experience. Here's the outcome. And one notable aspect is that Hugging Face Chat consistently displays the sources of the results, which is indeed a commendable practice. Moving on to the next feature, we have the Assistance option, where we can discover various assistants catering to all models, including image generation, ChatGPT, and website design. Let's start chatting with Image Generator Assistant. Here we prompt Hiver Portrait. Here is the result. Let's explore another assistant. We'll begin a conversation with the For the Doctor assistant and choose the prompt regarding a 25 meters with headaches since 1 week. Here we got a detailed result. I'd like to provide the opportunity to try out the other assistants and expand your knowledge.